This tutorial is how to do an invisible join when you're working in the round. As you can see on my sample piece, you can't really see where the rows have been joined at all. I really like this technique. It takes a little extra time to do it, but depending upon the project, I think it gives you a very nice finished look, and it's worth that extra time. One of the things that you'll need for this is a stitch marker of some sort, and I like to use a bobby pin for this specific technique because I find it's very helpful and effective. Right now on the bobby pin I have two loops which are part of the two loops that are from the first half double crochet, because I'm working in half double crochet, from the first half double crochet in the round. And once we do this join, you'll understand how we got those two loops on the hook. So to get started with, I've completed my stitches in my round, and now I want to join. So I'm going to remove my hook from my last stitch. I'm going to make sure my working yarn is in the back of my work, and I'm going to put my hook from the back to the front, grabbing those two loops that were on my bobby pin and put them on my, you can see there's two loops there, and put them on my hook and remove the bobby pin. Now I'm going to take the loop from my last stitch and put it onto my hook, and I like to tighten it right up the way I would for the tightness of the tension that I would use, that would be crocheting with, and pull that loop through those strands that used to be on my bobby pin. And now I've made my invisible join, and you can see that it looks awesome and looks just like the rest of the stitches in my round. Now to make the first half double crochet, this is a technique that you do rather than just chaining. That look is not the best look. This will give you a nice first half double crochet that looks like the rest of your stitches. So to do that, you want to take your loop and you want to make it a little taller than what your half double crochet would be, because you actually have to wrap your yarn around your hook for your yarn over of the half double crochet. Now to get started, you're going to take your stitch marker and you're going to put it over the two strands that make this loop on your hook, and now you've made a little small loop at the bottom of the hook. You're going to place your finger at the top of this loop, and you're going to wrap your hook around so the strand wraps around, those strands wrap around your hook, which acts as your yarn over for your half double crochet. And this is why I like the bobby pin, because you can see you can really hold it in place and keep that wrapped. Because if you didn't have something there to hold it in place, it would just unwrap, and then you wouldn't have your yarn over for your half double crochet. So if it unwraps, just pull it around and hold it there. Now you'll see this is my stitches from my half double crochets, and this is the stitches that originally were on my bobby pin from the last round. So we're going to work in those stitches, and I find it easier to go backwards through those stitches, and I find that I can catch it a little easier, and put my hook in there. And once my hook's in, I just turn it around so that we're working in the right direction. Now it's a little snug, but that's okay. Just wiggle your hook there to sort of get the tension so that you can work it. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull a loop up through that stitch. Now you've got your 3 stitches on your hook for your half double crochet. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull it through that loop you made, go under the wrap that you had and go through that little loop that you made with your bobby pin. And there's your first half double crochet of your round. And you'll end up with 2 strands, 2 loops on your bobby pin as what we had when we got started. So you want to make sure that you keep those strands in this direction, so you're going to be joining up to them with when you come around and you finish your round, you're going to join up. And again, that's why I like this bobby pin, because I can keep it in place. And you would just continue to do your round, do your half double crochet, yarn over, into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull that right through. So there's your half double crochet. Complete your round. So I think it's takes a little extra work, but it gives you a really nice finished product. If you like this tutorial, could you leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, or click on my like button. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Bye.